I++. Now let me open change this. Okay, and you can see that this has all the same elements as the while loop. It has, you create a variable that's used for counting, right there. You have a boolean statement that evaluates everything, right there. And then you alter the counting variable, which is right there. And you see just a straight line inside the parentheses of the for statement. And it's going to do the exact same thing as this did when I had the same, well, expressions here. Let's actually do both of them so you can see. They are exactly the same. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, there's no difference in their functionality, but they're just written different ways, and you're going to see both of them, trust me. Nobody just uses while loops or just uses for loops. There's also one more type of loop. Do while loops. Now these are just a little bit different. Let's create a variable. In that they evaluate at a different point. Okay. I'm just going to separate all of these with a space. Okay. Goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You might think, well, what's the difference in that? Well, it's also kind of important. Notice this right here, this semicolon at the end. That's really important. It will not work without it, I don't think. Let's see. Yeah, you can't even compile. Well, let me show you guys. Let's say I is, rather than 10, or rather than 0, we'll put 20. We'll do it with all of them. 20. Okay, compile and run. Notice, these two don't print anything. They don't do anything at all. But this one, it goes through first, and then evaluates. So you'll get an entire iteration before it actually decides anything. So it actually goes through the code first without making any decision. And then it just, after that, it works just like a while loop. It just keeps iterating as so long as this is true. I think that's it. Oh, for loops, I'll just show you a little bit more about these. They can be created a whole bunch of different ways. You do not have to use int here. You can use any variable that you already have. And you notice I've created I here, and normally I wouldn't be able to create another I, but this I can only be accessed inside these brackets, so in this for loop. You can create, actually, will this work? Yeah, it will, because I've created an instance of I after this for loop. If I already had an I up here, like here, I'll just comment this out. It can't do that. But notice that since this I is created afterwards, there is no I still left in this loop. It's completely deleted after this loop is run. So I can create another I here and use that I for the loop here. And compile, run. They both do exactly the same thing. I can also do actually, do I have to have this here? Yeah, that's not a statement. So I minus minus. Can I do this? I'm wondering. Say I equals 1. Can I use I minus minus? You see, if I create another variable out here, that's actually still there's another one here. It hasn't been created inside the for loop, so it's a variable in the method rather than the loop. Oh, so this will work. So long as you have just any command in here, this will work. It does not have to be anything specific. I think I might actually be able to do a will this work? Yeah, so I can do any command in here, but normally you're just going to do an assignment. And I think in here you can also do any. Yep. Well, you'll notice here, watch, this is, it just keeps going, keeps going, keeps going. And I can scroll up and down and it'll still be going. That's called an infinite loop. You'll write your share of infinite loops. It's a logic error. That's what it's called when you have boolean problems or anything that's running in your program that'll create an error without creating like a command problem, or create an actual error when you're running like a runtime error, which you haven't gotten to yet. We haven't done anything that'll create runtime errors, I don't think. Okay, yeah, and I think that's just about it. Just remember, any place is a boolean calculation like this. It's not just an if statements. You can use a boolean variable, like for there, that'll work. This loop just will never run though, so it's kind of useless. Although you could change b, so b equals true, and then b equals I is less than 10. That'll run and it'll do exactly the same thing as the other for loop. There you go. So true, 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 false. Oh, because this is evaluated before I is changed to 10. Okay. So you guys, I guess I'll make up a little assignment for you guys to do. Go to the website. It's johnsjava.webs.com, and I will post this entire thing on the website, along with some practice stuff to do. And next lesson we're getting into objects and object related stuff, which it doesn't make any sense to you guys now since I haven't told you what it is. So alright, see you later.